Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Outlook add-in for Salesforce CRM step by step clearly. To activate the Outlook add-in for Salesforce CRM, start by opening Microsoft Outlook. Make sure you are logged in to your Outlook account. Next, navigate to the Home tab in the ribbon. Locate the Get Add-ins button, which might also be labeled as Office Add-ins. Click on the Get Add-ins button to open the Office Add-ins window. In the search bar at the top right corner, type Salesforce. Press Enter to initiate the search. Find the Salesforce add-in in the search results. Click on the Salesforce add-in to view more details. Next, click the Add button to begin the installation process. A confirmation window may appear. Select Continue to proceed. Once the installation is complete, close the Office Add-ins window. Return to your Outlook interface. You should now see the Salesforce icon on the ribbon. Click on the Salesforce icon to activate the add-in. If prompted, log in with your Salesforce credentials. Follow any additional prompts to complete the setup process. Once logged in, you can start using the Salesforce features directly from Outlook. You have now successfully activated the Outlook add-in for Salesforce CRM. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.